So we are here with Jennifer Grove, and Jen, you and your husband came in a while back for, well, not too long ago, for some estate planning.
Yes.
And can you tell us what prompted you to come in and see us?
So we've been together 17 years now, and every year we've said, we need to go take care of this.
Yes.
And so we finally did. Fortunately, my mom had been to see you as another client, and somehow I had started receiving some of your emails, and just reading your emails, I thought, I could get along with this woman. And you want to go to a place that you feel there's someone that you can trust, that you can communicate with, that you're kind of simpatico with. So we set up the appointment and came and tried to figure out what it was all about.
Well, good. So was there anything in particular that you were hoping to accomplish with your planning?
A lot.
Okay.
We wanted to get our life in order. So we have a blended family. I had a son, Ray had a son. We came together and had 2 more sons. So we knew that we had a few different situations than I guess just a typical family. So we wanted to come together and make sure that we had laid everything out according to our wishes. We have a son who's out of the house living on his own. We have one that's at university. We knew there were some things we needed to take care of for him while he's away at college. And we still have 2 kiddos at home in the house. And so we just wanted to make sure that we were laying out everything related to setting up the appropriate kind of estate. We didn't know what that was. We learned that from you, and we're able to be educated and make our choices. And then in terms of medical care for our children when we're out of town, we knew we travel a lot, so we wanted to make sure to get that taken care of. And then really to have an understanding if there was anything that we weren't aware of that we needed to work through, just to make sure that our family is taken care of, and that in the event that something happens to Ray and myself, that at least they don't have the stress of having to figure out everything and unravel it themselves, that we've tied everything up with a neat little bow so that they can move on with their lives.
Would it be fair to say you feel like you're a little more organized now than you were before?
Yeah, I have a binder. Yes. I feel like I'm much more organized. There were things that weren't even on our radar screen that you helped us understand were important to be taken care of. So not only were we able to take care of the things that we knew had to be taken care of, we were able to figure out the way in which to go about it. We had some options, and you educated us on those options, and then also you shared with us some things that we hadn't even been thinking about that we were able to take care of too.
So tell everyone what your experience with the office was like, because it's not just me, right?
Yeah, the team is great here. We were able to get in quickly, which was helpful, because we'd been talking about doing this for so long, and so had there been a long delay between when I made the first call and when we first came in, it probably wouldn't have happened because we've been putting it off already. So we loved that we could get in quickly. My husband and I came together, Ray and I came to meet with you every time together, and he and I communicate differently. We learn differently. You were great to explain things in multiple ways so that we both could understand. We never felt embarrassed to say, wait, go over that again for us. So we just appreciate your and your team's just demeanor, very easy to get in and out of here. You worked around our schedule. So all in all, it really was a great experience, and it makes me wonder, why did we put it off so long?
Because you didn't know about me before.
I didn't,
then, right?
That's right, exactly, yes.
Awesome. So in a nutshell, how would you describe to your friends what you have done with us?
Okay. I would say that we've gotten our act in gear. We have organized our lives and made sure that we've thought through potential situations, how we would want them to be handled, and what we want to do and leave for our children. We had those discussions together. Ray and I had talked about it before, but going through this process really helps you kind of unpeel every layer of the onion and really talk through things to make sure you're on the same page with your spouse about it. And I feel like we've got that all recorded. It's organized. We had to make a few additional decisions that we had not thought through before, but this process helped us as a couple kind of go through that together and then get it all organized and neat. We've now talked to the folks that we've asked to help us in executing the plan, should we need to execute it, and it really gives us peace of mind to know that we've taken care of this really important step. It takes a burden off of our shoulders. We knew this was hanging over us, that we really needed to take care of it, and it really helped us think through all elements of the plan should it need to be executed.
Okay, so final question. You can look at the camera for this one. What would you tell anyone out there who is in the same boat that they've been procrastinating about doing this?
So the best time to call and make your appointment is now. And if you don't do it now, do it tomorrow.
That's right. I don't know if I told you this, but there's an old saying that says the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is right now.
That's right.
Right. So
Yeah.
kind of like that with your estate
Exactly.
planning.
Exactly.
Probably the best
Don't
time
delay.
was when you became an adult.
That's right.
Second best time.
We're still
is
working
right
on that.
now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly.
Awesome. Thank you, Jen.
You're
So great to have
welcome.
you as a
Thank
client.
you.
Welcome to the family.
Thank you.